Now, Punjab Congress leader Pratap Singh Bajwa has claimed that the 32 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are in touch with him to switch sides. Now, hitting back is the ruling Aam Aadmi Party's Punjab Unit President Aman Arora, who claims that, or counterclaims that it was Bajwa who has made an advance booking to join the BJP. So it's a war of words, and they're making allegations, counter-allegations. And remember, viewers, after the defeat in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party government is also in trouble in Punjab, the only state that it rules now. And there are 32 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs in touch, claims Pratap Singh Bajwa of the Congress Party. And to which the Aam Aadmi Party Punjab chief Aman Arora says that it's Bajwa who wants to join the BJP, who has planned to join the BJP, and not his party's MLAs. So that's, of course, another big story that we are tracking this morning. All right, viewers, now with Bihar heading to the polls, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the state unveiling key projects in Bihar, releasing the 19th installment of the Prime Minister Kisan Yojana. Now, during his speech, Prime Minister Modi also took aim at the Congress RJD as political momentum builds. And in Bihar, ahead of the polls, the war of words has only gotten thriller. His report.
As a part of his tour to multiple states, Prime Minister Modi made a stop at Bihar's Bhagalpur, where he launched the 19th installment of Prime Minister Kisan Yojana.
बाबा आज गैबीनाथ की इस पावन धरा में इस समय महाशिवरात्रि की भी खूब तैयारियां चल रही हैं। ऐसे पवित्र समय में मुझे पीएम किसान निधि की एक और किस्त देश के करोड़ों किसानों को भेजने का सौभाग्य मिला है।
Prime Minister Modi also inaugurated multiple projects in the state as a part of the centre's thrust to consolidate agriculture and science in Bihar. Taking the stage at Bhagalpur, Prime Minister Modi launched an attack on Congress and the RJD.
जब ये कांग्रेस वाले, जंगल राज वाले सरकार में थे, तो इन लोगों ने खेती का कुल जितना बजट रखा था, उससे कई गुना ज्यादा पैसा तो हम सीधे आप किसानों के बैंक खातों में भेज चुके हैं.
Drawing a sharp contrast to the earlier regimes that backtracked Bihar's growth, Prime Minister assured that the NDA government is the one that functions for the people and farmers of Bihar.
एनडीए सरकार चाहे केंद्र में हो या फिर यहां नीतीश जी के नेतृत्व में चल रही सरकार हो, किसान कल्याण हमारी प्राथमिकता में है.
And whilst Prime Minister's address focused on growth and development in the state, Prime Minister Modi blasted Lalu Yadav, whose remarks on the Mahakumbh drew the nation's ire.
ये जो जंगल राज वाले हैं, इनको हमारी धरोहर से, हमारी आस्था से नफरत है. इस समय प्रयागराज में एकता का महाकुंभ चल रहा है. ये भारत की आस्था का, भारत की एकता और समरसता का सबसे बड़ा महोत्सव है. पूरे यूरोप की जितनी जनसंख्या है, उससे भी ज्यादा लोग अब तक एकता के इस महाकुंभ में डुबकी लगा चुके हैं, स्नान कर चुके हैं.
With Bihar heading to polls this year, the centre has been leaving no stone unturned to relinquish corruption and crime in the state.